Are you in need of tree services in Charlotte and the surrounding area? Charlotte Tree Removals is a reliable company built on pride in work. We are family-owned and operated with 40 years of experience in the tree service industry. We specialize in high-risk tree removal, tree pruning, and stump grinding. We take care of large and small tree removal. All our crew members are fully insured with both workers' compensation and general liability insurance. We always guarantee our work. Call us today at 704-389-9875 for a free estimate. A local friendly tree company you can trust. Call Charlotte Tree Removals at 704-389-9875 today.